Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the top best dash cam for Jeep Wrangler review that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and updated prices, you can check out the description below and also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. APEMAN Dash Cam. If it's a seamless 1080p video recording on a budget that you are looking for, APEMAN might have exactly what you need. This dash cam is very easy to install and operate, and it's got a nice set of extra features. Those include a G sensor that detects any shakes, hits, and locks the footage instead of re-recording it. I was satisfied with its real-world performance during our extensive tests. It also allows shooting videos during the night. While it's not the most impressive night vision system, it still does an amazing job of recording without any light sources. Thanks to the 170-degree wide-angle lens, the camera will capture more than your eyes can see. Looped videos and a 24-hour parking mode are also a part of the deal, along with a 3-inch LCD screen. Sadly, C450 doesn't support Wi-Fi. Number 2. Rexing Ultra HD Dash Cam. People that put video quality first and want to record in true 2160p will find Rexing's offer to be quite compelling. On top of that, V1 4K withstands extreme temperatures. As for the advanced parking monitor, it will automatically start recording whenever detection shaking is detected. Like the previous dashcam, V1 4K comes packed with a 170-degree lens, HD sensor, and also has a loop recording feature. This is a rather small device and won't cover half of the windshield. Sadly, the front shield is the only place where it can be attached. The good news is, Wi-Fi is fully supported. Number 3. Two-Guard Dual Dashcam. Two-Guard Dual Dashcam can record at 1080p with its front view cam. This one offers up to 170 degrees of angle width, capable of acquiring a superb image every time. In the back you will get the 480p camera, capable of going up to 120 degrees in total image view, along with waterproof construction. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below.